How to make your iPhone louder and improve its sound quality. Here are some tips that actually work. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Drag the ringtone and alert slider all the way to the right to increase the maximum system volume. Next, go back to the setting again and tap Music. If you're using Apple Music, tap EQ and choose an equalizer preset like Late Night. This setting can make music sound louder and more balanced. Now, return to Settings and tap Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual. If mono audio is turned on, switch it off unless you specifically need it. This helps maintain full stereo sound. If you're using AirPods or other headphones, go back to Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics, then tap on Headphone Safety. Check whether Reduce Loud Audio is enabled. If it's limiting your headphone volume, you can adjust the sound limit or turn the feature off if appropriate for your listening preferences. Another simple tip is to clean your iPhone speaker grill. Finally, always make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, as software updates often include audio improvements and bug fixes. And that's it. These tips can help increase your iPhone's volume and improve its overall sound quality. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks,